Hello everyone, welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. Today guys is a really quick project share because my husband's birthday is this week, and of course I'm a procrastinator, so I waited till the last minute. My daughter and I are going to give him gift cards, and I was looking for a gift card holder and I couldn't find one that I really liked. But this came across my news feed on YouTube, and I thought, oh my gosh, okay. So I just went really quick through the lady's tutorial. It is a channel called, I think it's pronounced Craftitas. Anyway, it's in Spanish, and it was a little difficult for me to pronounce. But anyway, this is a toolbox, and it is different from hers because I didn't take her measurements or anything like that. I just saw how she made it, and hers has a lot of steps, and I'm like, no. Let's try to simplify this. So I made him a toolbox, and this is the front of the toolbox. These are those drawers that the toolboxes have, and then the little locking thingies, locks, and then the handle on the top. It's got the screws holding it down, and then on the back it's got the hinges with the screws in them. And okay, so it doesn't open, it doesn't flip open, but the top does lift off. So this is 4 inches long this way, 3 inches across, and then 2.5 inches deep. So like I said, I did look at a tutorial, I just didn't follow her measurements. So mine looks slightly different than hers. Hers actually has on the front, it's got Craftsman on there. And at a later date, I'll probably, make it more like hers, because hers is really cute. She puts this on the front, it looks like hers, except hers is I believe taller and longer, and hers says Craftsman on the top. So lifting off the lid, this is the lid. So these locks are attached to the lid, and these are the top hinges, and then these are the bottom hinges. Okay, so hers is her entire box is made out of chipboard, and I don't have that much time, so just the inside of mine is the chipboard, and it is black chipboard, so you can't really, I didn't have to put connectors on there or anything. So this is that tray that's always on the top. You lift the tray up, and guys, let me tell you, oh my gosh, I made this tray I don't know how many times because I couldn't get the measurements right. Like I said, I was just aiming for the box and didn't take measurements, or I cut things wrong. I was in a hurry, so he's gonna have to deal with this box. So here is the lift out tray, and as you can see, I had to make another score line because I did not cut it correctly. And then this just covers the tabs that form this tab on the top for the pull, and that's all that is. But yeah, so this is the tray, and the tray goes in like that, and it does hold right there. It won't go any farther, and the reason it won't go farther is because I put some chipboard on the sides. I believe she puts chipboard all the way around, but like I said, yeah, I said that should be able to hold it. And this is where his gift will go. I want to, if I have time, I'm going to go and I'm going to use my Cricut to cut out some tiny tools and put them in here, like a real toolbox. And then when he lifts it up, his gift cards will be in there. I thought that was so cute. I guess I could cover the bottom with black. That way the entire inside is black, but he's going to get a red bottom. All right, and the tray goes back in, and I am done. I'm washing my hands, except if I have time, I will cut out the tools. I don't think I have any dies with tools in them. I'll have to look, but I don't think so. And there is his toolbox that will hold his gift cards. There we go. The next one I make, guys, I'll make a tutorial because there are things that I will do differently, and I just think this is such a cute idea. You can make a pink one for the girls, you know, just for a swap or whatever, but you can make a pink one for girls. And I just thought that was so adorable when I saw it. I really like the backside. I like the way she made the screws. So yeah, I'll be showing you how to make the screws as well. But for now, this is going to get loaded and it will be ready for his birthday in a few days. All right, guys, I just thought I'd come on and show you really quick what I had made for my husband's birthday. And I just thought it was so adorable. Even though that little tray, I think the tray, you know, made me work harder than anything else on here. But anyway, there you go, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to everyone later. You all have a great day. Thanks a lot, guys.